Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2014 Ford F-150 FX4 Supercab with the 402A package. Now the exterior color is a Tuxedo Black, and under the hood we have a 5.0-liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our projection-styled headlamps, our daytime running lights, and our low beam halogens. We also have our fog lamps, our 2 tow hooks, our color match front bumper, and our engine block heater. Over at the side we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Wrangler tires, as well as we have our black mirror caps and black door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows in the rear, a sliding sunroof on top, and command start. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as our reverse sensors paired to our back camera. We also have our locking tailgate and our soft tunnel cover on top. And inside the box, we have a spray-in bed liner, and at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. At the interior, we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as power windows, power locks, and power adjustable and foldable mirrors. As well as our mirrors are also heated with our signal light indicator. And as we look at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, our tilt steering wheel, our foot pedal adjustment switch, with our cruise control settings on the left with our information trackpad, as well as our hands-free and volume controls on the right. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror, our cabin lights, our 3 garage door opener points, and the beautiful OEM sunroof. And as we look at our interior, we have nice black leather, which has a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support, as well as goes the same for the passenger, but the driver gets to enjoy 2 options of memory seating. As we look at our dash cluster, you'll notice we have 79,972 kilometers on this F-150. Now as we look ahead at our display screen, you'll notice we have phone connectivity, radio control, climate control including a heated steering wheel, heated and air-conditioned seats, as well as our information. And down below we have our controls for our sink, and underneath we have our dual climate control area, which allows for air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin. And at our center console we have our console shift, which has our manual mode of 6 different speeds, and our center console with tons of storage underneath and 2 more cup holders in the rear. At the rear of the SuperCab, passengers can enjoy door storage with power windows, as well as their very own 60-40 bench seating arrangement, which allows for 3 passengers to sit in the rear. As well as we have our own ventilation for the passengers, as well as an AC outlet and a 12-volt adapter. And that is a total of 5 passenger seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.